Imagine YouTube, but with the power and convenience of a dedicated app, all without needing to download anything. Welcome to the world of YouTube's progressive web app, Opera. You're probably familiar with using YouTube on your browser, right? But what if I told you that same browser experience can actually feel like you're using a native app, offering features you'd normally only get with a traditional download? That's precisely what a PWA does. And YouTube has embraced this technology to give you a supercharged web experience. So, how does it work? A PWA is essentially a website that has been built to behave like an application. It leverages modern web technologies to provide capabilities traditionally reserved for installed apps for YouTube. This means a smooth, responsive interface that's optimized for speed and efficiency. One of the most exciting PWA features is offline access. Think about those times you're on a long commute or in an area with spotty Wi-Fi. With YouTube as a PWA, you can download videos directly within your browser and watch them later, even when you're completely offline. And what about staying updated? PWAs can also deliver push notifications. Just like a regular app, you can get alerts for new uploads from your favorite creators or recommendations tailored to your viewing habits, all directly in your browser. Performance is another big win. PWAs are designed to load faster and use less data. This means quicker startup times, smoother scrolling, and a generally more fluid experience, making your YouTube sessions more enjoyable, especially on less powerful devices or slower connections. The best part, no app store is needed on supported browsers and devices. You'll often see an option to add to home screen or install the PWA directly. This places a shortcut on your desktop or home screen, allowing you to launch YouTube like any other app, but it's still running through your browser in the background. So, the YouTube PWA is all about bringing you an app-like experience directly to your web browser, offering offline viewing, push notifications, and enhanced performance, all without the hassle of traditional app installations. It's a smarter, more flexible way to enjoy your favorite videos.